The most mysterious thing about Easter Island is the Moai statues on the island. More than 1,000 huge half-length stone statues with human faces were found across the island. The stone statues vary in size, ranging from 6 to 23 meters high and weigh about 30 to 90 tons. They have a strange appearance, with serious expressions. They have their backs to the sea and seem to be deep in thought. Looking from a distance, it looks like a team of warriors preparing to go out for battle, which is spectacular. Today we will use Goofoo Tiny 3D to print a Moai statue. Exceed your expectations, save money, save worry, save time. Full metal body. Even though Goofoo Tiny is designed with the smallest build volume, it still comes with full metal body structure, also industrial level linear guide in XY axis. Printing material PLA compound peg. Micro SD card. Industrial level linear guide. Combined type industrial level linear guide ensures stable printing, also micron level precision control. Full color touch screen. Injury prevention design. Scald-proof extruder. Tiny 3D printing effect. The front door and back door is available to keep it much safer.